Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm Taylor Beeson with By Right Finishing. Many times I speak with customers that have not been given the proper information on the components, maintenance, and function of their powder pump. Today I would like to take some time to go over these with you. Here we have a Wagner PI F1 powder pump. I'd like to first go over the components of the pump to help you better understand what we're looking at. This specific pump uses quick disconnect fittings to attach the air lines coming in. The male quick disconnect is for the feed air or lift air, while the female quick disconnect is for the dosing air or dilution air. On the rear of the pump is a brass injector. This injector directs the feed air through the pump body. On the bottom of the pump is the powder inlet. This inlet is a male shaft with O-rings that create a seal to help the efficient draw of powder. Moving to the front or outlet side of the pump, we have the hose adapter, the retaining nut, and inside of these, the insert sleeve. This sleeve is there as a wear product to increase the longevity of the pump. The pump is operated entirely off air. The air is introduced through quick disconnects on the top. The feed air enters a chamber that is sealed by the brass injector. The injector forces the air through a small opening, increasing its velocity. As the air exits the brass injector, it flows over the opening of the powder inlet. This creates a negative pressure called the Venturi effect. The powder is drawn out of the hopper due to the negative pressure and forced to the outlet of the pump. The dosing air then helps to carry it down the powder hose to your gun. To ensure proper functionality, the pump is equipped with a couple of wear items. The first and most obvious of these being the O-rings. The O-rings should be checked and cleaned periodically to make sure they are providing you with a proper seal of the powder inlet. If you don't have a proper seal, the negative pressure in the pump will draw air around the O-rings from outside of the hopper and will not have enough pressure or suction to draw the powder. The second wear item is the insert sleeve, or in the case of this Wagner, the clearance collector nozzle. The insert sleeve allows the powder to wear it out as opposed to the pump body or the powder hose adapter. The wear of the insert sleeve can be checked with a check bolt or go-no-go gauge. These will check to make sure that the walls of the insert sleeve aren't too thin. To encourage proper wear, the insert sleeves should be checked and rotated 90 degrees weekly. To rotate them 90 degrees, use the slots on the insert sleeve to use as reference in the degree that you're changing. The last wear item is the brass injector. The exit side of the brass injector is exposed to the flow of powder, as seen. Over time, the exit of the injector wears down and widens the hole the feed air flows through. The larger the hole, the less velocity the air has as it exits. The less the velocity, the less draw. The brass injector should be checked every month or two to ensure the injector hasn't worn too much. I hope this video has helped you understand the proper function and maintenance of your powder pump. This has been Taylor Beeson with By Right Finishing. Happy coating.